Black's objective here is to kill white. Conventional moves will not work. You might be thinking, reducing ice space this way, but whenever you bend here on the first line, you need to connect, otherwise number 1 will be captured. And now white can live very easily, like this. If black tries this move, seems like a nice move, right? If white tries to increase ice space, then it's actually not enough. But white can use the build 2 eyes method and play here, and can guarantee a real eye on each side. Black cannot come in here. So white can succeed after number 2. If black reduces white's ice space from this way, that's the wrong direction. White can live like this. If black comes in, white can play something like this, right? Eventually, white will be able to play in number 12 and capture black like this. You can try some of the other variations after white's number 4. So there are actually 2 correct moves. One is still to play on the outside, but in a smarter way. Not this bend, not this standing down the second line, but this jump on the first line. It's a really neat move. So if white tries to increase ice space this way, it's actually not enough ice space. Black can just reduce it, and this is already not enough for white. And if white plays here again, now black can come in at number 3. And all of a sudden, this is a fake eye because of black's number 1. And there's no way white can cut off black. Black will be very securely connected to the outside. So that's why number 1 is such a good move, because it sets up number 3, which destroys this eye that number 2 is trying to make. So this is a correct sequence, very neat and very elegant. Another move is actually right here. It's not that easy to sort out, but you can give it a try. So the main variation might be this. White will have to want to increase its ice space by playing something like this. But now black can actually cut and play this exchange. Atari. Now after number 9, white is already dead. Connecting here doesn't help. There's already not enough ice space. Black can take sente. This is going to be a pyramid 4 or a straight 3 shape. So white is already dead after number 9. What about this move? Now black can just reduce white's ice space from this side, on the left side. If you try something like this, then this eye will be a false eye. White will be dead. It will be something like this. White might be able to try this, kind of make this into a ko. That's one possibility. So maybe black should play here first. And now what happens is that white will want to try to increase ice space this way. And black can simply crawl here. And white is still short. It's going to be something like this or this. Once black cuts, there will be no seki or mutual life. White will have to eventually capture these 3 stones. It will be a bent 3 shape, a dead shape for white. So that is why number 1 here actually works as well. You can try some of the other variations on your own, and let me know if you have any questions. So hope you had fun solving this problem, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.